Hello, my name is Robert van der Geyen. I'm one of the instructors for your course. We thought we'd start the course by showing you our building so that you have an idea of what it would have been like to be in a real class here. We're on the campus of the University of Texas. The University of Texas at Austin is one of the largest universities in the country with more than 52,000 undergraduates. So you can imagine that on a normal day this road is pretty busy. Today it's a Sunday and it's also the end of the winter break, and therefore it's relatively empty. Let's go into the building and let's look around. The computer science building itself is called the Bill and Melinda Gates Computer Science Complex. It consists of a south building and a north building. The north building is known as the Dell Computer Science Hall. We're standing inside an atrium which connects the two. The atrium itself goes 5 stories up. This is where a lot of the students congregate during the semester. Right now, as I pointed out, it's the end of the winter vacation and it's also Sunday, and therefore it's relatively empty. Let's go and have a look at some of the classrooms in this building. Behind me you see the classroom where I'm teaching the course this spring. One thing that you notice about the classrooms in this building is that they have these glass walls. What this means is that when Maggie and I walk through this building, we can look in and see what's being taught. We'll walk past the classroom in which they teach data mining, and we'll notice that what's on the whiteboard is linear algebra. Or it'll be a course in computer vision, and there too linear algebra is important. And then we'll walk past another classroom and it'll be graphics, and again what's on the whiteboard is often linear algebra. The important thing is that linear algebra is everywhere, and in computer science you'll run into it in a lot of classes. Well, that's about enough for today. Maybe later in the course we'll show you around some more.